Hi everybody, this is Rizwan Chowdhury. I hope you're all safe and well. Welcome to another of my video interviews with leading life science vendors. Today I'm delighted to be joined by Dr. Ali Rajabi-Siahboomi, who is VP and Chief Scientific Officer at Colorcon, USA. So Ali, lovely to meet you. I hope you're well.
I am very well, thank you very much. Good to see you.
Great, and I hope it's sunny in Philadelphia where you are today.
It is, well, it is not too bad. The weather is good and working from home as usual. Great.
Good, fantastic. Look, Ali, today you're here to talk about the potential presence of impurities and degradants in medicinal products, and in particular managing moisture in solid dose formulation. So, Ali, why is managing moisture so important?
Well, it's interesting because we need moisture in the air. We need moisture, and the moisture is all around us, not only to drink it, but also to have humidity. But for drugs, some drugs don't like moisture. Right. When there is moisture near them, they break down. When they break down, of course, not only the concentration of the drug goes down, but also the level of impurity goes up. So it's really important when we have a dosage form, either in a capsule or in a tablet or in other forms, to manage how much moisture is exposed to the drug. Otherwise, the drug may break down. Right. And there are various ways of controlling this.
Okay. Okay. And so what are the different ways of controlling moisture then in a dosage form?
Oh, the good question. And one, of course, the first one initially, when you started, you say, can I reduce the relative humidity of my environment? Right. Where I'm manufacturing, when I'm processing the formulation. Another approach is, of course, the packaging. But before that, you say, if I choose certain excipients, certain fillers, certain materials where they could pick up the moisture and not make it available to interact with the drug, then that is great. Right. That's a good opportunity to manage the moisture, and that is what we are looking for in terms of control of the moisture. You could apply a film coating on top of the tablets, for example. Right. You could choice of packaging. There's some packaging really impermeable to moisture. Right. But they're also quite expensive. So if you start right from the beginning looking at the core formulation, how would I protect my API, then the right coating on top of them, then put in the packaging, the right packaging, and then you're hoping that the patients don't expose the tablets too much in the environment. Right. If the tablets are stored in a bathroom or in a kitchen, there's a lot of water there, a lot of vapor there, and could potentially break down the drug.
Right, okay, that's interesting. And are there regulatory issues around this as well?
Well, of course, there are regulatory. There's some, like recently, FDA called some products in the market or advised the suppliers to recall the product from the market. Like ranitidine is a good example. Right. That actually, because of the degradation that could be initiated by the moisture, okay, and FDA actually called them to recall the product from the market because it produces some degradants that could be toxic. Right. Okay. So there are some regulatory issues. Of course, all the products have to be shown that they are stable during the shelf life. And what I would like to recommend is also not only during the shelf life, but also in use. When you're using, when it goes in the hand of the patient, where does the tablet or capsule go? How do we protect it from degradation because of the moisture?
Right, that's really interesting. Well, look, I know this is all we've got time for today, but if people would like to know more, I understand you have a webinar coming up next week.
Yes, exactly. We have actually a webinar coming on Wednesday, 3rd of June. Right. And that's an area where I go into much more details and using some scientific explanation of why the choices of excipients, the choice of the fillers that you use in a core formulation of a moisture-sensitive API becomes so critical, and giving some evidence of how you could manage that.
Right. Well, that's really interesting. Well, look, that's all we've got time for. If you would like to know more, there's going to be details on the webinar in the comment box above the video. Ali, thank you very much for taking time out in your busy schedule to give me a quick update on what's going on in that particular area. I didn't even know, so next time I pick up a tablet, I'm going to be having it very, very quickly rather than leaving it out there in the environment to get the moisture. Everyone, I hope you enjoyed that, found it useful. Until next time, I hope you stay safe and well. Ali, I look forward to seeing you soon. Until then,
thank you very much. See you soon and stay safe.
You too. Bye-bye.